There are a number of different forms that trademarks can take. So take a look at the photo that you see. It is an attic with pink fiberglass. Well, who makes that pink fiberglass? Well, many people might already know. It's Owens Corning. They spend a significant amount of time and money investing with a line of Pink Panther ads that any fiberglass that is pink comes from Owens Corning. So color marks can be obtained, but you have to show what we call its acquired secondary meaning, that people can associate it with your product or service simply by the color. If you started using a color mark on day one and you didn't have any other extrinsic evidence that customers tied that color to your company, that wouldn't be enough for the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. They need to see some evidence of actual use and actual association. Now, important thing about color marks is the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office is not going to give them to you if they're functional. So if that color imparts some sort of function, for example, if you sold solar panels and you wanted to say, I'm the only one that sells black colored solar panels. Well, the color black absorbs more radiation. It heats up those solar panels better than maybe a white color one would. So therefore it's got a functional advantage, and functional improvements are the sole and exclusive domain of the patent system, and those rights are of a limited time. A trademark can last in perpetuity forever. So therefore, if you could grant a color trademark on a functional aspect, you would actually be circumventing the U.S. patent system, so that is not permitted. So when you look at the pink fiberglass and it's in an attic and not subject to light or any other utility other than providing insulating properties, the colors are relevant. So that's why the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office did grant Owens Corning the exclusive right to use the color of pink for insulation, and it is the brand identifier. So I'm going to go ahead and play a couple of audio trademarks that are federally registered, and you can take a listen to this, and you'll probably easily identify where these trademarks have come from. And you may know that that is the theme to NBC. The next trademark, and that is, of course, Intel Inside, one of the heavily branded for Pentium processors. And then finally, another federally registered trademark. And that is, of course, the theme to Monday Night Football. Trademarks can also be in shapes, and again, just like the pink color for insulation owned by Owens Corning, if you're going to go ahead and take, for example, the shape of a soda bottle, it can't hold the liquid any better, it can't provide any utility whatsoever, for example, gripping a little bit better or some other function, because again, that would be a patentable or possibly functional advantage that they cannot remove from the public domain. So if that shape serves as a source identifier, people will associate that bottle shape with a particular product or service and the company behind it, then the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office will grant exclusive rights to that particular design and shape for a container or another object that serves as a trademark. There's a number of famous actors and musicians that trademark their name. So again, when you look at actors such as Kevin Spacey or Mariah Carey, a large number of them have federally registered trademarks. It protects the investment that they've made in their persona and their brand identity.